Okay, so I think I was reviewing the Farana's work, right? Farana's work.
Yes.
Okay, so you can share your screen again and let me see.
Um, um, like I said, I did not do a lot. It's just a one paragraph, and I was
Okay, okay.
scrolling here.
So,
So it's not a lot, but I did other things like, you know, watched workshops. I
mm-hmm.
think other people should have like on topic on OneDrive if they did something. Do you still
Okay.
want to see? I mean, I don't know if it's just a one paragraph. I just, I did not do a lot on that. And yes, I mean, I
Yeah,
was behind. I am still behind, but I don't want to make it excuse every time. I'm already doing a lot of things, to go catch up.
okay. Okay, then you're fine.
Yeah.
So the next one is the Nurjahan.
Okay, I'll share my screen.
Okay.
I didn't finish yet.
Okay. So it's Agile Scrum. About the Agile Scrum is a framework when the development team will be working 8 months or 9 months period developing the management from analog requirements to digital versions in a daily and sequentially and iterative approach. Scrum Master implements the Agile Scrum. Agile Scrums follow different types of methodology.
ID
Agile
and
Scrum,
everything. I
yeah,
didn't finish yet. Yes.
and Agile Scrum follows several types of methodology and tools to follow the work. In the Agile Scrum framework, Agile Scrum follows the visibility of every team member's work. Agile Scrum used Azure and Jira. Mm, Agile Scrum used Azure and Jira. It's like cannot. I mean, basically the project management tools like this, Azure, Jira, ClickUp, Asana. There are so many tools are available in the market. Most of the tools motive is like to maintain the Scrum into team. Okay, let's
Oh,
say it's not mandatory that you have to must use the project management tool. You can manage you can manage the Scrum with by maintaining the Excel, like
oh,
track the works of every team member's work, assign the user stories, task, then assign the task. Can do a lot of things, but if you want to do by the Excel, it will be like very difficult.
yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
but yeah, these tools saves life. I mean, saves your time so that you just simply use the tools and maintain all the things. And by using the tools, you will see that you can easily pull out the reports. You can easily maintain the sprints. You can easily manage the work streams of every team members. Okay, you can easily assign them. You can easily track them, track their
Mm,
works. Okay, and everything is recorded, so that if you want to, oh, I mean, give someone, if you want to give feedback to someone, or if you want to hold someone, you can speak based on the report, based on the like recorded things. Okay,
okay.
like if you want to give someone feedback that you are not productive or you are not doing enough works, how can you say that? You can just pull out the two last 1 month or 2 months reports of that user, of that member, so that you can just show that member that here you can see that you have there are already 10 user histories or 20 tasks have been assigned to you, but you just completed only 8 tasks. Okay, you couldn't complete 12 tasks. So, and you every time You just gave a reason. I mean, that's how you can just hold any member because everything is there, right?
Mhm.
Okay, so excuse me. Okay, so waterfall methodology B model also used beside Agile. Agile Scrum is a framework in which the development team works together for a certain period to build the application. The goal is to develop a team that will build the application either new or existing daily or weekly. Blah blah blah. Okay, so I think there is a lot of information about the Agile Scrum. So you can just add some Agile Scrum information, but what was the actual topic? Like I saw that Famid added like the about the Agile ALM the tools, and I can see that you brought the Agile Scrum. Is there any specific topic or just you can
No.
bring? Okay, okay. So just you guys are bringing by yourself, right?
Yes.
Okay, okay, great.
For
Okay,
practice.
yeah, yeah. So, it be working for 8 months. Okay, this 1, 2, 3. The is the our bullet point? I mean bullet number.
Yes.
You just added those manually.
Oh, yes.
Can you select the just click on that one? No, Agile Scrum on that Agile Scrum one. Yeah, click there. You click.
I click here.
Yeah. Then give the backspace. Let me see. No backspace.
No, for the bullet point.
Yeah. So no, it's you just put it there. So you can add the bullet points there. Just click on
Okay.
the home. Click on the home. Yeah. And here you see this is the bullet points and the bullet numbers. Also there are numbers you can add. Okay. And you can also highlight something by change the color. Then also you can give the title to bold the text, give the
Mhm.
underline that text. Okay, like you did in the Agile Scrum. Okay.
Okay.
Then also if you want to add a table, okay, that just show some differentiates between
Mm.
any topics, or put something information inside the table, then you can create a table. Okay, this is how you
Okay.
can like
Mhm.
do some hands-on on the docs
Yes, I
because you can
didn't
do a lot
finish.
of things. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, so you just only did into the doc, right?
Yes.
Okay.
I stop sharing.
Yeah, sure, you can stop the
Thank you.
screen. Okay. Okay, so I think you guys have already the feedback, and whoever is preparing for the show and tell, so my suggestion is just work on your slides and choose the topics, then prepare the slides, then just complete the show and tell. It will really help you because you guys like have to talk, you guys have to manage the team members, so uh, it's not easy basically. Just you notice that Farmida told me that she is sending the message, but people's I mean the our team members, everyone is not responding her yet, because it's happened, it's common if you are entering a new environment at the first time, like you don't have a relationship with the team members, so people will not, I mean, it's not ignoring you, it's just like they will not feel comfortable to reply you, or just they will also be confused that what should be replied or something else. So what you have to do, just communicate with the team members, then create a good relationship. Obviously without the relationship, obviously you have to ask why they couldn't work, why they couldn't complete that, but before that, if you have a good relationship, you can complete the work. So because leadership is different types of the leadership, people follow, some people like they are very strict Okay, they are very strict to get the work done. Someone just they also they strict, but they try to get the work done, just be just show the like softly soft behavior. Okay, so it's varies from person to person, but if you have a relationship with your team members, you can easily communicate with them, you can easily assign the task to them, you can easily get the work from them. Okay, so as I said, it's basically it's not easy to manage people's work, to manage the people's. Already you guys are facing some challenges and some issues, and it's real. There is nothing that created some fake challenges. It's really um, the challenges you have to face when you go to in new environment or any new project. Okay, so I think you guys have the action items.
Can I
Someone have
ask one
to.
last question?
Yes, yes, go on.
So for the show and tell, do we like do it separately? Like, we can do one show and tell for Excel, one for the slides, and then one for the documents. Or should I do like if I were to do a show and tell, should I go over all three of that in it?
Yeah, you can go all three of those. Okay,
Or
like
do we do it like separately? Each part by part.
it depends.
Just
Like
like
if
you did
you,
in the workshop.
yeah, if you can complete the all the three topics, you can do that. Or if you think that okay, I cannot go all of these, I cannot like show all the functionalities, so you can just go like you can just select the word and the presentation in one show and tell, and the Excel into the another show and tell, or you can select three topics in the one show and tell. Okay.
Yeah, but no. If it's not 1 hour long, it
Mm-hmm.
might not be. Because he wants every show and tell to be at least an hour long.
Yes.
So
So
that's why I was
that's why
asking.
like if then if like you, I think if you select the three topics in a one show and tell, I think it can be like at least more than 1 hour, like, right?
Yeah, it would be.
So yeah, so that's why I can say that you can select the three topics in one show and tell. You can prepare the slides for that, and you can continue that.
Okay.
Okay, so anything else from anyone?
No, Prantu.
Okay, that's good. Okay, so I think you guys all already have the action items. Already, you guys have like what you have to do. So complete the action items and complete the hands-on also whatever you have. And yeah,
Prantu
I'm
bhai,
good from my side. Yeah.
can you just write those action items like just for like better recap on the group chat, if you don't mind?
Oh, okay. So mm, okay, okay. Then I'll say. Uh, okay, then I will say to Shivla Ahmed to write down all the action items for you. Okay, because I saw that he gave you the like individual some action items also, like write the user stories, then and most of the members couldn't complete the OneDrive tools. I mean the Words, Excel couldn't complete all of those.
Mm-hmm.
So the action items is like also complete the all of these. Okay.
Give me 1 second. Okay, that's fine. Thank you, Prantu bhai.
Okay. Okay. So if nothing else, then I think we can wrap up the workshop for today.
All right.
So let me stop the recording.